In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off history in Safari. Understanding how to manage your browsing history is essential for maintaining your privacy. Safari offers a solution through private browsing. This feature ensures that your browsing history, search history, and autofill information are not saved. Let's dive into the steps to utilize this feature effectively. First, you'll want to open the Safari app on your iPhone. Locate the Safari icon on your home screen. It looks like a blue compass. Once you tap it, the app will load, revealing your current browsing session. This is an important first step because it sets the stage for all your browsing activities. Once the app is open, you can access the various tabs and features that Safari offers. Next, tap the Tabs button, which is typically represented by two overlapping squares. You can find this button at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap it, you will see all your currently open tabs. This view allows you to manage your browsing sessions effectively. It is crucial to access this section because only from here can you initiate private browsing. You are now preparing to switch to a mode that enhances your privacy. Now tap on Private or New Private tab. If you see the option for Private, select it to turn on private browsing. This will change the appearance of the Safari interface, usually by darkening the background. If you don't see an option for private, you may need to select New Private tab instead. This action tells Safari that you want to browse without saving any history. It's reassuring to know that while in this mode, your online activities remain confidential and nothing will be recorded. After selecting private browsing, tap Done to start browsing privately. You will notice that the interface has changed, signaling that you're now in private browsing mode. This is a key moment because it ensures that none of your browsing activities will be saved. You can feel confident exploring the web, knowing your history will not be tracked. If you wish to stop recent searches from appearing in Safari, especially if you're using iOS 18.4 or later, the next step is to open the Settings app, locate the gray gear icon on your home screen, and tap it. This app is essential for customizing your iPhone experience. It allows you to adjust various settings, including those for Safari. Once in the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps, then select Safari from the list. The Safari settings page will open, providing several options for customizing your browsing experience. This step is important because it gives you control over how Safari manages your search data. Here, you'll find settings that can enhance your privacy and browsing comfort. Now, turn off Show Recent Searches. This option is usually a simple toggle switch. By turning it off, you ensure that Safari won't display your recent searches in the address bar. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your privacy while using the browser. It's comforting to know that you can keep your search activities discreet. Note that if you browse in a regular Safari tab, your history will still be saved. Apple does not provide an option to permanently disable browsing history in normal mode. To remove existing history, go to Settings, then Apps, and finally Safari. From there, select Clear History and Website Data. This will erase all past browsing activities, ensuring a clean slate. This step is vital for those who want to maintain their privacy thoroughly. Following these steps will help you manage your Safari history effectively while ensuring your browsing remains private. With these settings in place, you can browse with peace of mind.